So don't you just hate cleaning the blender after making a smoothie? Well, I'm Tami Cicerello of the Cicerello team, and thanks for joining my Home Tip Tuesday. And today I'm going to give you an idea that I came across about cleaning your blenders. So when you're cleaning your blender, what you're going to want to do is take your blender, fill it up about halfway with hot water, and then put a squirt of dish soap in there. About, on a regular size blender, about a half a tablespoon will do. If you put too much in there, it's going to overflow and bubble up. So what you're going to do is you're going to put the lid back on your blender, you're going to stick it on the actual unit and blend it for about 30 seconds. You'll be amazed. All the stuff that's in there is going to come off, and you're just going to be able to dump it out, rinse it out, and you're good to go. Now, I like to use a NutriBullet. So if you're using like a NutriBullet or something, make sure that you don't put as much soap in, because it is not as big of a container, and it will start to foam and overflow. I've done it once, so don't do that. So make sure you put just a little teeny tiny drop of soap in there if you're using like a NutriBullet or something of that nature. Okay, so I'm Tami Cicerello with the Cicerello team at Remax of Santa Clarita, and thank you again for watching our Home Tip Tuesday. Have a great day.